Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Today, we're going to work on more literal equations, and sometimes students find literal equations so confusing that they feel like they're going into Camp Danger Zone. But that's not going to be the case today because we're going to show you how to solve for a given variable as we work out big example 1 and big example 2. And so when we look at big example 1, we have x plus y divided by 3 is equal to 5, and we're going to solve for x, and here's how we're going to do it. We're going to do that by getting rid of the denominator by multiplying both sides by that denominator over 1 or just by that denominator itself, because any rational number can be written over 1, but your algebra teacher will accept that you're going to multiply both sides by the denominator. And when that happens, okay, so we're going to multiply both sides by 3. These 3's will cancel out, just leaving x plus y. And in this case, we have 5 times 3, which will give us 15. And let me put an equal sign right there just to let us know that that is really x plus y divided by 3 is equal to 5. And we're multiplying both sides by 3. These 3's cancel out. And so we have x plus y is going to equal to 15, just like you have right here. Now, all we have to do is get y all by itself by subtracting y from both sides. And when we do that, we have x all by itself, so we solved for x. And so now x is equal to 15 minus y. Now let's go on to our second big example in which we have 12x minus 4y is equal to 20. And in this case, we're going to solve for y, and we're going to go slow. All right, and so not to worry about that. So first of all, let's kind of crack the code by slowly but surely getting y all by itself by subtracting 12x from both sides. And so when we do that, we have a negative 4y is equal to a negative 12x plus 20. All we did was just scoot the 20 over and just slid negative 12x right there, as you see. Now, here's what we're going to do after that. Now that we have a negative 4y is equal to a negative 12x plus 20, what we're going to do here, we're going to divide both sides of this equation by a negative 4. And when we do that, this 4 cancels out, that 4 cancels out, just leaving y. And then what we're going to do, we're going to divide 12x by a negative 4, a negative 12x by a negative 4, and we're going to divide a positive 20 by a negative 4. And so when we divide a negative by a negative 12 divided by a negative 4, well, that's going to give us a positive 3x. And 20 divided by a negative 4 will give us a negative 5. And so when we isolate the variable solving for y, we will notice that y is equal to 3x minus 5. Well, there you have it. This is how you solve literal equations. And of course, you have received quite a bit of information. And I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at these two examples again, or replay this video as many times you like just to get a deeper understanding of how to solve literal equations. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.